Number 16 gives you a scenario in tables to match. So mine says a builder charges $210 for 7 hours of work. They charge the same amount of money each hour of work. Which table shows the relationship between the amount of time the builder works and the amount they charge? Okay, so if they're working for 7 hours and get paid $210, typically the amount per hour you get paid, the relationship between these two is multiplicative. Okay, so if we're going to do the independent, which is time, okay, times the amount of hours to equal that y, the 210, all right? This is how it would work to solve it like a one-step equation. You would do your inverse operation and divide by 7, okay? You could also use the clues in your tables to help you compare relationships, okay? So table 1, I see 2 to 50, okay? This could either be times 25 or plus 48, all right? 4 to 100, it's definitely not adding 48, but it still works with times 25. So this table is that x is being multiplied by 25 to equal that y, all right? So let's see if that fits, okay? Is 7 times 25 210? Okay, 7 and 5, 35, 7, 14, 17. Okay, 175. So no, A's relationship does not work with my 7 hours and $210. Okay, so you can go through and check that for each one, or you could find your base rate for 1 hour. Okay, if I know I get 210 for 7 hours, how much do I get for 1 hour? Okay, so we're going to do 210 divided by 7. 7 can't go into 2, but it goes into 21 3 times. All right, and then we still have that 0 we need to cover. So 1 hour, I would get paid $30. All right, so your rule should be times 30. All right, let's see which one matches that. This one has 8 to 38 and 9 to 39. So what I see is them adding 30. We said this is multiplicative, and even if it wasn't, 7 plus 30 would be 37, not 210. So it's not B. C, we have 5 to 200, 10 to 400. Okay, I'm not seeing times 30, and actually 5 to 200 is times 40. Same, 10 to 400 times 40. All right, so this one's off by a bit. Lastly, 10 to 300, that is times 30. All right, 12 to 360, let's just double check. All right, 0, 0, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. All right, and it would be 360. So our relationship was times 30. We figured that out because if it's 7 hours for $210, you could divide to find the amount for 1 hour. Okay, you can either set it up like a proportion or you can write it out like a one-step equation. Either way, you can use your tables to backwards check for the relationships, or you can find the original relationship yourself.